beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Fatima Abdikadir. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, comment, share, and turn on the post notifications so you guys can be alert whenever I post. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the game. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know, guys, I love you so much. Thanks like for your support and everything. I really appreciate that. So today is my rest day and I have a lot of things to do, and I'll tag you along, guys. Don't worry, I'm gonna tag you along. So yesterday I ordered it was around like midnight, like what time was it? Like it was around 9 p.m. Yeah, I ordered some groceries from Carrefour and also from Lulu. This is my second time ordering from Carrefour. The first time I had done that, you know, I loved it. So this is my second time ordering from Carrefour, and it's my first time making an order online from Lulu. As you can see there, the background, like that's the groceries that I got from Lulu. So I want to show you guys what I got from Carrefour, and also I'll show you guys what I got from Lulu. Oh my god, what is from Lulu? So from Carrefour I got you know, one thing, you know, the reason as to why I decided I'm going to be buying like online groceries is because I'll compare like prices. You know, that's the Kenyan in me. So I'm trying to compare the prices, like where is what am I saying? Like, okay, so I'm trying to compare like where it's more cheaper. Okay, so I'll go to the Carrefour app, then I'll check, and then I'll go to the Lulu app, and then I'm going to check, and then I'm going to weigh the prices, and I'm going to see like where is a bit cheaper. Because in Carrefour there's some things that they're way cheaper than Lulu, and in Lulu there is some things that they're way cheaper than Carrefour. So that's what I do normally. Okay, so and also sometimes I don't get some things that I want in Lulu, so I have to get it from Carrefour, and we, like, you know, vice versa. So in Carrefour I got this semolina. So this semolina is what I used to make ugali. I used to make with it ugali, because actually I don't like, there is some Kenyan flour, you know, like Kenya flour for ugali, but for me, I don't know why I don't like it. I just feel like it's tasteless. I think it's because I'm used to eat semolina, that's why, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, so I got semolina, and then I got two of them because I still have another one, and then I got my rice. So this is the kind of rice I use. It's called Punjab. It's really nice. I love it. Like, I've been using it for, I think now it's 4 years. Yeah, I've been using this rice, and it's really good. I love it so much, you know. And I also got Colgate. They are Close Up, this one, and also I got Aquafresh, and then I got this coconut milk powder from Restock. Like this one, it's really nice. You know, you can buy the cream one if you want, but me, I prefer like buying this the powder one, and then I'll mix with water, you know, and you can use it to make your mahamri or to make your mbaazi or beans and all that. But Restock is the best company. Like, it's the best company. Yeah, it's the best, trust me. Thanks to my sister-in-law, she's the one who like told me like Restock is the best it's the best deal, you know. And trust me, it is the best. Like, I've been trying since she told me about that. I used to buy the one for Lulu, but since I started buying like this from Renuka, like, I love this one. Like, it's really, really good. So you can try it out. So the coconut milk powder, and I got this Thousand Island. Yeah, Thousand Island. It's a dressing syrup. It's a dressing and dip. What is this syrup? What's wrong with this? And also I got some food color for making my biryani. Hey, yo, you know, these days oh my god, I'm just so proud of myself because I never used to like cooking, by the way. I never used to like cooking. Hey, no, not me. But you know what? When you get married, you have to cook. You have to cook, and you have to learn how to cook, or else, I don't want to say it. Okay, so I got this. Two food colors, Delicio. It's called Delicio or Delicio. I don't know, Delicio, whatever. So this, like, I like this one. I bought another one from what is it called? I bought another one, but I didn't like that, like the color that comes out. So I prefer using this one. So this is what I use for my biryani. So I buy the red one and the yellow one. Like this yellow, it's nice. So this red and yellow. So I bought two because it's just cheap. It's like 1.25. And then I bought this yogurt. I use this yogurt also for making my biryani, and also we eat this yogurt, you know. It's good for stomach. And I got also this coconut cream from Baladna. I prefer this coconut cream because it's thick, you know. I also used another one. It's from where? I can't remember it was from where, but there is one cooking cream that I used, but I didn't like it because it's so light. If you like that, if you like the, like, if you don't like this is thick, okay, but the other one I don't like it. So if you want like the light one, I'm going like to insert a picture of that cooking cream. So in case you love the light one, you can try that one. But if you like it like heavy, you know, thick, this is the best. It's the best, trust me. I've been using it for so long. This Baladna cooking cream, I use it to make my pasta, you know, and macaroni. Yeah. And we also got this is for my hobby, some ball pen. Yeah, so that's what I got from Carrefour. And let's see what I got from Lulu. So let me show you what I got from Lulu. I got this green giant spinach. They are frozen. They are really, really nice. I tried it's the Saudi. Yeah, it's what, from Saudi, or I think so, yeah. And it was very, very bad. Like, ooh, I don't like it. So I prefer using this one. And I also got this frozen French fries. It's from Al Kabir. Like, before I was using Lulu, the one for Lulu, and after a while I didn't like it. I didn't like the taste of it. I don't know why, but I just didn't like it. But this Al Kabir is the best deal, trust me. Like, it's really, really, really nice. Like, it's the best. So yeah, these French fries, you don't have to chonga viazi. Okay, so Yeah, and I still have some more spinach. I got some chicken. Yeah, okay, let me tell you, this frozen spinach, the one I told you, is from Sadia frozen spinach. Oh my god, those spinach, I didn't like them. I don't know if it's me or I didn't like it, kabisa. It's like chop, 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 chop. It's like a baby's food. Oh no, I didn't like it. Yeah, it's called Sadia. I just saw this this name, then I remembered it. So I also got this frozen chicken breast. It's from Sadia, yeah, and it's so cold, that's why I don't want like to hold it in my hand for so long. Then I got mixed berry juice from Dandy. I just love Dandy. I don't know why, but I just love Dandy products. The few stuff that I use for Dandy, it's Baladna, it's the cooking cream, but Dandy, like almost everything that I use, it's from Dandy. My yogurt, my juice, we are Dandy brand. So yeah, and also I'm telling you, I just love Dandy. Oh my god, I think Dandy should sponsor me. I think Dandy should now sponsor me because yo, I just love that. So I also got ice cream from Dandy. See, so I got this strawberry ice cream from Dandy. I'm telling you, everything is from Dandy. Everything is from Dandy. So Dandy, if you're watching this, or if you are someone and you're working in Dandy, please hit me up. Okay, so I also got this red kidney beans from Lulu. Yeah, I got this one also from Lulu. And you know what, Lulu, oh my god, Lulu, if you are watching this, okay, I know you're not watching this, but but thank you so much. You know, they gave me this one for free. See, let me show you. Free gift. It's written free gift. Free gift. Imagine they gave me these cribs for free. Hey, thank you so much, Lulu. I really appreciate. So I'm going to try them and see. This is from Nacho Cheese. It's nacho cheese and it has like different flavors. Yeah, also this one, oh my god, I'm so happy. Tortillas, this is tortillas and the hot. Oh my god, Lulu, thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate. Thank you so much, Lulu. Yeah, so guys, that's what I got from Lulu and Carrefour. Also, let me also the first time I bought groceries from Carrefour, they gave me it was a caramel coffee drink. It was really nice. They gave it free. It was really nice. I loved it. Yeah, so guys, that's the groceries that I got. So I need to take them in the kitchen and arrange them. And guys, I'm also going to show you how I organize my kitchen. Don't worry, my kitchen is very small, like, but anyway, we gotta live, you know. So I'll show you how I organize my kitchen. I bought some let me show you what I bought from IKEA. It's really nice for organizing your kitchen. So guys, I bought these cute containers from IKEA, and I use them for organizing my storage. Like, it's used for organizing. It makes your kitchen looks very organized, you know. So I've already used some. So this is one, it's left empty. So I need to try and look for something that I can use it for. Okay, so I don't know what I'm going to put here. I think I'm going to put my beans here. Yeah, maybe, but let me see. what I'm going to put this, but I'm going to show you the other, like the other store, the other containers, what I use them for. Like it's, wallah, it's very, like you just open your wardrobe and you know, it just makes your kitchen looks organized, you know. Yeah. And also I'm trying to look for fridge. I saw it somewhere. I'm going to see, and in case I buy them, I'm going to show you guys, and we're going to organize together. So come and let's go to the kitchen. I'm going to organize my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I used these cute containers from IKEA to organize my kitchen. So come. So guys, these are the cute storage containers that I told you that I got from IKEA. See how beautiful, organized they look like, you know. So I kept my spaghetti here, then my cornflakes, I kept my semolina, sugar, rice and flour. Yeah, so I need to like refill them because I need to add more spaghetti here. I need to add more semolina, sugar and rice. Yeah, see how cute they look like. Oh my god, like I just love them, you know. And I still have one more extra. I need to figure out what I'm going to use it for. Yeah, but as you can see, tell me they don't look cute or they look cute, huh? And it's, I find it so easy when you organize it this way. And also I need to find those like cute, I need to label them here. I just find it so cute. I need to label them here, like flour, rice, and then sugar, semolina, cornflakes and spaghetti. I need to make those cute labeling. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I don't have that thing for, I don't know, it's called circuit, or I'll just try to figure out like what I'm going to use to have those, like to have those cute names over here. Yeah, so here they are. So let me fill them up. Guys, I know what this one empty container I'm going to put. I'm going to put my macaroni. So this is the type of macaroni that I use. They're from Panzani. I love them, and they're always on offer, like, you know. So guys, I just realized I didn't like bought the sugar. And yesterday when I was like I was doing the shopping online, I think I kept sugar. I need to go back to that I need to go back to that shopping list and see if I really kept the sugar or I didn't. In case I didn't, I'm going to go and buy, or in case I kept it and they forgot to bring it, I'm going to tell them. So guys, I'm done doing the laundry, cleaning their house, organizing my kitchen, and I feel so good because You know that feeling when your house is clean, you know, in that old vibes and all that. It's just refreshing. It's very, very, wallahi, that feeling is very, very awesome. Okay, so now guys, I need to go and drop my uniform to the laundry. So I need to check the bus because I'm going to use the bus. I'll check the bus and then I see where it is now. And after that, I need to go and look for some ingredients because I want to try to make some donuts. It will be my first time making donuts, so I want to see how it's going to turn out. So yeah, so let me check the bus and then I'm going to update you guys. So guys, I'm finally back. It's now 9:31. So I went to drop my uniform. After that, I passed through another place. It's called what? Shaheen. Yeah, I was going to look for mugs, but I didn't find them, like the one that I like, and I ended up buying makeup products. As you can see in my hand, I was trying some lipstick. Oh my god, this lipstick, it's really, really nice. It's matte. I was also trying this eyeliner because I don't have like eyeliner and also lipstick, so I got some few makeup products I'm going to show you. And also I went and do some few groceries that were remaining. For these groceries, I needed to be there so that I can, I can select like what I want. So I got this sweet corn. It's from Kairat. So for the sweet corn and minced meat and the frozen strawberries, I usually buy the Kairat products. They're really, really nice. I love them so much. And also I got these brown eggs. It's called Ola. They're from Oman. I've been using the white eggs, but I didn't like them. Like a few days ago, I cooked like 3 of them, and I didn't like the taste. It was really, really weird. So I said I'm not going to buy those eggs again. So I want to try and see if these Ola eggs are good. If they're good, so I'll be using this. Then I got this milk. I got milk from Baladna. I want to try and make some donuts, that's why. Then I got here, I have my milk. So this is my favorite milk. I'm a tea person. I love tea, so I always use the milk powder to make my tea because like it stays longer, not like the other milk. That one, it will just finish fast, and you're going to waste money. So I buy this Al Rabwa. It's my best milk, trust me. I love it so much. So like I went to this supermarket. It's called Indian supermarket, and there was a lot of Indians there. We are the only Kenyans inside there, trust me. Like everyone else was from India. So I got this Al Rabwa because I didn't find it in Carrefour, and in Lulu also they didn't have, but thank God I found it in this Indian supermarket, so I had to buy it. It's my favorite. And then I got, what else? Yeah, I got my favorite Dandy yogurt. Oh guys, I've been searching for this yogurt for so long, but they came back early this month. They came back. Yeah, so this is my favorite yogurt. They're from Dandy, so I bought them. I told you I love Dandy things. I think Dandy should sponsor me. And then I got this sliced pineapple. I love them also. They are from Kenya. They're really, really nice. So yeah, I got two of them. They're really, really nice. They're from Kenya. We must support Kenyan brands. And I got this soy sauce. It's called Kikoman. I tried it once and it's nice. Then I got this cotton pads for my makeup. So buy two and get one free. It's from Johnson's. And then I got this cute, what is it called? It's for icing. It's for icing, like it's for decorating. It's for decorating your cake, your cupcakes, and yeah. So I got it because I want to try and make those donuts. Yeah. And then so guys, I told you that I forgot to buy the sugar, so I bought them. It was on offer. Then I got bananas. And I got onions. So I told you I went to buy some makeup. Let me show you what I got. So I bought this banana. Wait. Yeah, I bought this banana setting powder for it's Forever 52. And I bought also this this is the setting powder. Yeah, setting powder Forever 52. And also I got this another powder. It's from Forever 52. It's called two-way cake. And then I got concealer. Yeah, I got concealer. I got eyeliner. I got this one mascara. And then I got this lipstick, 4 of them. It's different color. This is pink, it's like maroon, red, and also this one. It's all different colors. They're really, really good. They are matte, like you can see my hand. I tried them out. It's matte. This is the lipstick, one of them, and then this is eyeliner. It's really, really nice. And also, like, I was trying to use the concealer, so the one I got is somewhere here. Like, it's really, really nice. Yeah, so guys, those are the things that I got. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So I'm not going to make those donuts now because I'm tired. I'm going to make them tomorrow, inshallah, and if I do, I'm going to show you guys how they turned out. Yeah, so let's wrap this video. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye bye.